Ano pa ba? Ayan na nga yung announcement eh. Oh, welcome to the Asian Track Championship after how many?
31 years.
31 years. After 31 years, di ba? We're back on track. And finally, the dream come true.
Saan
Di
yung
ba?
list?
Oo, magsisimula na. Magsisimula na. Oh. First race. Gusto ko rin makita yung para. Ibang klase yun eh. Yeah, may para. Tandem yun eh. The able on the front, the disabled on the back.
Sir, other than Qatar and Iran na alam naman natin na yung problema, expect na
Tatlo yung nag last minute cancellation. Qatar, Iran, and Mongolia. Siguro nabusan ng nawala ng connecting flight or what. So, Iran and Qatar for obvious reason. Pero nandito naman yung UAE at saka Saudi Arabia. Hindi ko na lang tinanong kung paano sila nakarating. Baka
So, yes po.
expectation, sir. Hi there.
Excited the host league.
I don't expect medals here for Philippines. For podium for Philippines. Kasi back to zero tayo eh. Ngayon nga lang uli nagsimula, no? Kinalibrate ngayon lang uli nagsimula. Di ba? May hirapan pa. Unlike those big countries. Oh, wow. Hindi nga dumating si Awang eh. Di ba? From Perth, nagpiprepare siya ng World Cup. Si Awang, yung Malaysian silver last Tokyo. Yun ang yun, isang mabigat na yun. So, with the powerhouse Kazakhstan, Uzbek, China, Japan, mabigat. Diba? But we will learn. We will, step by step.
Pero po yun, wala si Awang kasi it was posted sa kanyang social media na
Wala
next
eh,
time
baka
here.
wala daw eh. Wala daw eh. So, he preferred to be in preparing for Derby World Asian Cup, World Cup track in Malaysia. Okay?
Yung visitors o yung
Siguro dandang million ang halaga nung nandyan sa loob. Kinukumpit ko eh. 3 million isa eh. 500,000 isang gulong sa Japan. Very scientific. Pinapasok ko sa laptop tapos sinecheck pa yung mga tama ba yung hangin, tama ba yung timbang dito or what. Ang dami, ibang level na yung mga Japanese. Tayo naman, puso. Meron naman tayong puso, laban lang.
Exposure. Exposure, no?
Exposure.
Ito rin po ba yung sa SEA Games na team natin dito? Para ito na yung eventually pang SEA Games.
Yes. Magkakaroon pa rin kami ng ng national open qualifying selection. Okay?
Chairman, pwede announcement po sa Hall of Fame.
Yes, magandang umaga po. Sa buong buhay ko, ngayon lang ako outdoor press ko na. Okay talaga rito sa Tagaytay. Kaya po kami nandito at kaya namin sakto naman kasi nandito naman si President Bumble and to launch this Asian Track Cycling Championship. Nandito rin naman yung mga commissioners natin, Commissioner Ed, Commissioner Wawi. Let's take advantage of this, the time and the opportunity to announce yung process natin sa Hall of Fame. Nagaganapin on May 20. Venue to be advised. Alam natin matagal na bin itong Hall of Fame, but it is a very important event for Philippine sports, not just for PSC but for all of us. Isang karangalan binibigay ng bayan para sa mga atletang nagbigay ng karangalan para sa bayan natin. So, once again, thank you for your presence today. Let me just explain. As early as 9 months ago, when I was appointed last July, I already gave instructions with the support of the commissioners and BOC President Bambol na buhayin yung Hall of Fame. So this is a 9-month process. Ang una nating ginawa is tinatag natin yung lead committee na ni-request ko si Jun Navarro to spearhead this together with Jun Lumibaw to organize this slowly. And then nag-identify sila ng search committee. Mamaya Jun Navarro can explain kung sino yung mga inimbita nila. And then the other day, dun sa Rizal, nag-meeting na ang selection committee para bigyan ng i-identify na yung mga mananalo sa Hall of Fame 2026. So, in behalf of President, so we started. We started with June. Ilan ang na-identify na nominate? 75. Okay, there were 75 na nominate sa Hall of Fame. Ito po binuksan natin para sa lahat. Hindi po ito galing sa nominasyon lang ng PSC. Ito po yung nominasyon na galing sa lahat na nag-submit ng names. And we've gone through the search process. And let me give this opportunity for POC President Bambol to explain yung proseso na to na ginawa natin. Pero sabi ni President Bambol, saka na lang yung mga pangalan.
Then meron tayong sinusunod, no? Republic Act 87-57. Diba? So doon nakasandal yung Hall of Fame. So from 75, it was trimmed down to 15. 15 by the different evaluating members of the evaluating committee. Kasama doon sina Al Mendoza, Dean Pinito, marami yan eh. Okay. Dodo, yeah.
Sino pa?
Pin,
Jun Lumibaw,
Jun Dumibaw,
Iggy,
Si
Ignacio D.
Si Ignacio D. So, tinrim down po yun. Then, nung matrim down sa 15, matagal nilang pinag-debate, hindi pang-debatehan. Basing on the records, etc. Tinrim down ulit pinasa na sa amin. Pinresent na ng PSC kung sino yung 15. Then, pinasa na sa screening committee composed of 5 again. So, with that, tinrim down ulit na into 7. So, watch out for those 7 to be announced. Maybe in a few days, Chairman Pato will have the right to announce that 7 final list. Yung iba pa, baka magtataka kayo, bakit hindi kasama si ganon? Meron kasi sa batas na yung kailangan retired na. Okay? So, baka sabihin niyo, bakit hindi kasama si Mr. X, Mr. Y, si Juan, si Pedro. Well, meron kasi hindi pa nagre-retire na deserving na sila mapunta doon. So, hindi pa retire. So, read between the leaves, di ba? So, alam niyo na yun. So, ang isang pinropose doon, we will try PSC and POC to endorse the amendment of the law para merong specific ilang years pa retirement, pwede bang not limited to athletes and coaches only, baka pwedeng officials din. Maraming pwedeng i-amend yung both Committee of Houses and Senate.
Changes ba doon sa incentive na makukuha na inangat ba?
It's PSC will announce din said tama-tama.
No. Yeah, thank you for that question. Yes, as approved by the PSC board, the new incentive for the winners will now be at 500,000 pesos per Hall of Famer. Dati po ito 100,000, so many years ago 200,000. But you know, you're a Hall of Famer. You deserve all not just the honor, but of course the recognition and the reward. So it is now at 500,000. Maganda po, paliwanag lang namin. I think this is the reason for this press conference. Talagang i-diin ko lang yung paliwanag ni President Bambol na baka lang, please help us explain that when we announce the 7 winners, talaga pong if you are still competing, even if you are deserving already, hindi ka pa po talaga pwede kasi napakalinaw sa batas. That's number 1. Number 2 po, kami po ni President Bambol, we will send a proposal to the House and to the Senate to make sure that, to request that we amend the Hall of Fame law to include other sectors. For example, pag-usapan namin nung search committee, kasama po rito si GAP Chairman Rivera, kasama po yung Ayala Foundation, kasama po yung private sector representative, si Jock Malonzo at si Jared. And we discussed na dapat yata itong Hall of Fame moving forward, meron na rin sports patron. Dapat lagyan na rin natin ng sports media. Dapat lagyan na rin natin ng officials. Yan po yung ipapasok natin sa amendment ng law para talagang mas buo po yung Hall of Fame natin na binibigay natin taon-taon. So, this will be on May 20. Venue to be advised. We're just checking the availability of our president and the venue for them. And this will be really a very prestigious and grand ceremony.
Sir, a few questions. Yung una, kasama po ba yung para athletes? So, open sila doon. May deserving naman. So,
Kasama.
kasama naman. Pangalawa
Kasama
po,
ang para.
para.
Kasama na ngayon yun, pare.
May na. So, may na-consider din po from para. Sir, can you...
Marami rin na nominate.
Marami rin. Sir, baka naman merong isa kayong sabihin man lang na...
Let's have it, yung tawag yung element of surprise.
Baka
diba?
pwedeng isa lang.
Di ba?
Isa lang pangalan
Element
po.
surprise. Para, parang, tapusin mo natin ito, Asian track. Ayun, parang nagsigawan na.
Oo.
Meron nang may
Oo.
first race, no? Then, definitely, PAC
After
will
Holy Week.
announce, eh.
After Holy Week, we will
Still,
announce.
May 20 pa naman eh.
Oh,
Diba?
after Holy Week, we will announce.
So, may
Para ano?
1.5 million ang ipapakilay po na isipin sila.
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
Pwede po ilang
prestigious.
babae, ilang lalaki doon sa pito.
Para mahirap yun, hindi namin nabilang eh. Kasi nandun pa sa ano eh. Darating tayo dyan. Konting taste na lang.
We will announce.
June, please set the announcement after Whole Week. Bigyan muna natin ng napakagandang news itong Asian Track. Di ba? Bigyan natin ng napakagandang news. Talagang deserving na ito. And then after Whole Week. What is important today is diniscuss namin yung parameters, yung proseso, napakahabang proseso, at yung explanation on why others were not included. And number 2, yung opportunity for us to amend, di ba? With the support of Congressman Mike D. and Senator Bongo. Yeah. So help us explain that.
Kung ito bang Hall of Fame every 10 years,
Ito yun, di ba?
Every 2.
years,
No, 2.
every 2 years.
It is every 2 years. So the next one will be 2029. 2028. Sorry.
Yeah, yung para magkaroon ka ng clue, it involves that 2014. Tama ba? 2014 below. Okay. So yun, clear na yun. Alam niyo na kung sino hindi papasok kasi last year lang yung SEA Games. O lampas na ng beyond 2014 na. Di ba?
Boss, specific po ba na 7 every 2 years ang ibibigay? O natin
No, not sir.
kung sino lang talaga
Yes,
deserve.
yes.
So pwedeng isa lang.
Correct.
10.
Correct.
Oh, yes.
And yung hindi nakasalid dito, hindi sinasabi na stop na.
Oo.
Kasali pa ulit sila.
May chance
They can
pa.
be nominated again in the next and the next.
Yes.
Tama, di ba?
Yes,
Of course, we will definitely. That's why we are checking the schedule of the president now. So tentatively on May 20, di ba? But we are already checking the schedule of the president. Yes. So ano po yun, no? Please take note, no? Pag na-nominate ka ngayon, hindi ibig sabihin hindi ka na pwedeng i-nominate. Tuloy-tuloy lang po yung proseso niya. Okay.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.